Hello? This is Site 19. I repeat, this is Site 19 broadcasting. Globally. We've had a breach. No, a full system failure. They're out. They're all out. SCP-096 was spotted near Chicago. 106 is active. 173 is no longer in containment. It moved on its own. I swear to God. You need to listen to me. You need to listen. Do not go outside. Do not answer your door, even if it's someone you know. If you see something smiling at you, if it doesn't blink, look away. Just look away. The Foundation has failed. We tried. We really tried. There is no secure, no contain, no protect.